everybody out there in the YouTube world. It's your boy, Dusty Diesel Technician, man, back with another fun, good, informative video. Today, we're going to be testing the Snap-on NG325 versus the Husky 3/8 Impact. These are both 3/8 Impact wrenches. So we want to see which ones are stronger and which ones will move legs faster. Alright, up first against this Acura TLX Snap-on. Wow, that was lightning speed, man. Lightning speed. I mean, it's almost like you don't even need one press. That's it. Snap-on. Okay, here's the Husky 3/8. See how quickly this removes lugs. Same car. Okay, it's a little quick. Snap-on removes it a little faster, but it's going pretty good. Pretty good.